What's going on, everybody? I appreciate y'all tuning the channel today here at 323 Fabrication. Car's in pretty much one piece. We got a couple things left. I changed the alternator. I had to go get a new one. I went to an F-body alternator, maybe to like the RPM a little bit more. Both of the other ones, one of them was bad. It was charging like 19 volts. The one that was on the car at wide open throttle would drop out. But the car's running, the car's driving. I've put about 200 miles on it since we got it put together Saturday a week ago. Today is Friday. I don't know what the date is, but it is Friday. Tomorrow's Saturday. The day after that is Sunday. And then the Monday after that is the 12th. So we are leaving early Monday morning for Atlanta Motor Speedway in this Chevy II right here. You'll see that killer lettering. That's coming up in a video. I will do a walk around and show you real quick because I know it's a terrible teaser to make you wait. But Michael Swan just left, the man that lettered the car. He did an excellent job. I love it. Stoked about it. He was willing to come down kind of short notice and knock it out before Power Tour, and I think it turned out better than I could have ever dreamed. We're going to use him for some more cars for sure. But what we got left to do, the turn signal cam broke the other day in the car when I was driving it back from Taco Bell. Got a new one of those in. That's got to be changed. Try and figure out why the horn doesn't work. Fix that as well. The car has wipers now. I'll show you all that. Carpet. I'd like to put carpet and a little insulation in it and a couple other things to kind of quiet the car up a little bit. On the inside, so far as road noise, the exhaust is going to stay the way it is, which is extremely loud, but I don't care. It sounds great. That's what they make earplugs for. I think my Milwaukee job speaker will be loud enough we'll be able to hear like the Eaglets and Bob Seger over the exhaust note, and that's all that matters. CCR. Dad said CCR. That's a good one too. You know, all the good stuff. But carpet, turn signals, horn. We got to load the car, do all that stuff. I got to do some laundry because, you know, that's important. But I didn't want to leave y'all hanging in the middle of us not having the car together. So the car is together. The car is running and driving. I'm going to continue to post progress of us building the car because I want to finish all that. And then, of course, I'll have footage and everything from Power Tour. I'll try to post some shorts throughout the week. I can't promise I'm going to be able to put videos together because I don't think I'm going to have time to put videos together and edit them and all that and still enjoy myself, and I want to enjoy it. So that's the main thing. But I know y'all want to see this car. I'm going to turn this around and let you see it because it is killer. Look at this thing. So, the name of the car, as you can read, is Double Trouble. And I love it. It's for the Leonard Skinner song. And it's just cool. I like it. You know, Chevy II, Double Trouble. It's cool, right? Pair of twos, hearts, and clubs, because love and luck are important. Swan Graphics out of Birmingham, Alabama. That's the man that did the car. Did a killer job. Awesome dude. Enjoyed hanging out with him. He actually came down yesterday and got started and finished about 10 minutes ago and did an excellent job. Little touch of striping here and there. Nice and clean and tasteful. C gas. I don't know if that's actually the class the car would fit in, but my name's Chris, so it works. 327 fuel injected. Awesome. A little bit of striping up there. A little striping everywhere. It's just cool. And y'all should see this thing out in the sun, and I know you will. We got to let it dry a couple days before we can wash the layout pencil off of it. But it turned out awesome. Just absolutely awesome. Love that part. So there you go. But that's what we got going on. So I'm gonna throw the carpet in there, turn signal first, then worry about, I gotta wrap some of the harness up, you know, make sure we don't have any chafe points and clean all that up and loom some of that that's not loomed yet. Mount our fire extinguisher so it doesn't, you know, fly around inside the car for any reason. You know, the tune's not 100%, but it is very, very drivable. That's what we got going on. So that's an update for y'all. We are making it to Power Tour. We're leaving Monday. So Got a few things to wrap up, load up, and wash some clothes. But if you're going on power tour, we'll see you there. Come say hey. It's as done as it's gonna get. It is Saturday. Power tour starts Monday. We're leaving early Monday morning. And, you know, I still got some wiring I need to clean up. We don't have a parking brake. We got a pedal, but no parking brake. So, you know, we'll do that at a later date. Tune still needs some work, but it runs and drives. It's got carpet in it. Dad painted that back shelf. It looks real good. We got a fire extinguisher mounted. Eventually it'll get door panels, but the carpet's killer. I love the color. It really turned out good. I am not a professional interior guy, and carpet is aggravating, especially trying to get stuff screwed back through it. Seat and the seat belts wasn't too bad, but the gas pedal and the dimmer switch were kind of aggravating. The car is pretty well loaded. I got to run by Joey's and grab a wheel and tire that's dual lug pattern because this car is Ford rear, Chevrolet front. And that's about it. I mean, we got wipers, we got carpet, insulation, got a horn, beep beep. So pretty much good to go. I think it looks real good with the carpet in there. Really makes the car look more complete. And this was automatic carpet because the hump was in the wrong location to order 4-speed carpet. So I figured ordering automatic and then cutting it was the way to go. You know, it could be trimmed out with like a piece of this kind of stuff by somebody that knows how to sew. So that's what we got going on. We made it. I wanted to give y'all an update so you weren't, you know, like, oh no, did he make it? You know, all that kind of stuff. But we did. Car's good enough to go. It's not done, but it's good enough. So I'll post shorts throughout the week. I doubt I'll get any actual videos out while we're there. You know, we'll shoot some footage, but I also want to enjoy it. But I'll continue posting the videos of us building the car and putting it together. That way it doesn't just drop off from, you know, us wiring it to, you know, driving it. Because I still got quite a bit of footage. Finished putting that together. Got a really cool video of Michael Swan lettering the car. Did a fantastic job. Y'all go check him out. That's his website. He came down from Birmingham. Did a fabulous job on the car. It's killer. Look at that. I love it. So that's what we got. Finish packing, wash some clothes, get on the road.